Hi, it's Pola from Pola Quilting. Welcome back to my channel.
Every now and then I have an opportunity to collaborate with other designers and creators in quilting family. Sometimes it is to test a pattern, sometimes it's to participate in a block of the month or a challenge. In this video I will present you with the outcome of one of those challenges. Jen from Patterns by Jen has been running for a few years now a themed yearly block of the month challenges. She has been designing easy to follow blocks for participants to enjoy, but also to improve their skills. This year's theme is about color and has been inspired by tropical fishes. I have been invited to make and feature one of the blocks, and I have chosen as September as that's my birthday month. The color for September is brown, and the fish for September is called Kuli Lo. I probably said it wrong, but this is what the said fish looks like. All blocks in the challenge are 12 inches finished, and mine for September is made of 4 hourglass kind of sections. I also choose this block because I have never actually made hourglass block before. I have made plenty of half square triangles, but not hourglasses, so I wanted to take this opportunity to learn something new. The instructions Jen provides are pretty straightforward, even for me. I have to admit I do often have an issue with following patterns instructions, but here I understood every step and there was no problem. I actually made 3 versions of those blocks. So the first version is according to Jen's pattern. I used 2 fat quarters from my stash. So on the first look maybe they don't look that great together, but just wait and see the block. Second and third versions are using my magic numbers pre-cut. So I just wanted to test if I can, if it can be done. The answer is yes, but it took 6.5 squares to make one block. That's because at every step I had to kind of come back to that correct size. So you pretty much make it one at a time method, which is quite, both time consuming and using quite a lot of squares to do it. However, in the process I have been making, obviously on the other side, smaller half square triangles and then hourglasses. So I don't really have any waste because I've got now 2 sizes of the blocks. And I will be using this to make another project. But if you're looking to make block quickly, then you need to follow Jen's instructions. I made my versions. One was made from brown scraps and the other one was like a mix. So here are the 3 blocks. I really like the block and the quilt that will come out of it, designed by Jen. There's a simple blocks for every skill level and with room for skill improvements. That's very important. With clever use of color, it makes really fun project. So there is still time for you to join the challenge if you wish. Just head to Jen's website and read more about it. You will also find the links to other creators who participated in the challenge since January, and they've been showing off their creations as they were going along. I have written also a blog post to accompany this video, so I've put all of those links there, so you can click and go to check both Jen's website and other creators. All the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Thank you for watching. I hope you will share this tutorial, subscribe if you haven't done so. Happy sewing and see you next time.